Hello everyone, welcome to For Nurses Preparation YouTube channel. I am Ritu. Let's quickly revise most important nursing MCQs. Question number 1 is, after vesicovaginal fistula repair, important intervention is, your options are A. Avoid urine collection in bladder, B. Adequate rest, C. Antibiotics, or D. Early ambulation. Correct option is option A, that is avoid urine collection in bladder. Vesicovaginal fistula, that is VVF, is an abnormal communication between the bladder and the vagina. Next question. Census is taken usually in every. Your options are A. 2 years, B. 10 years, C. 1 year, or D. 5 years. Correct option is option B, that is in every 10 years. India has conducted a census every 10 years since 1872. Next question. Normal fetal heart rate at birth in a term newborn is. Your options are A. 80 to 100, B. 70 to 110, C. 120 to 160, or D. 100 to 120. Correct option is option C, that is 120 to 160. Next question is, the ability of the drug to cause fetal abnormality when administered during pregnancy is known as. Your options are A. Therapeutic effect, B. Iatrogenic effect, C. Nosocomial effect, or D. Teratogenic effect. Correct option is option D, that is teratogenic effect. An agent like drugs, pathogen, toxin which causes abnormal development of the embryo is called teratogenic effect. Next question is, ascites occurs due to. Your options are A. Hyperalbuminemia, B. Hypoalbuminemia, C. Hypokalemia, or D. Hyperkalemia. Correct option is option B, that is hypoalbuminemia. Next question is, Korsakoff psychosis is due to deficiency of. Your options are A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin B1, C. Vitamin B3, or D. Vitamin B12. Correct option is option B, that is vitamin B1. Wernicke's encephalopathy and Korsakoff psychosis are caused by a deficiency in the vitamin B1, that is thiamine. Next question. General anesthesia. Which of the following sensation disappear at last? Your options are A. Consciousness, B. Pupil response, C. Hearing, or D. Pain response. Correct option is option C, that is hearing. Question number 8 is, the highest sex ratio among the Indian states is in. Your options are A. Gujarat, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Kerala, or D. Himachal Pradesh. Correct option is option C, that is Kerala. At present, the lowest sex ratio in India is in Haryana, where sex ratio is only 879, whereas the highest sex ratio is in Kerala, where it is in the ratio 1084. Question number 9 is, which surgery is used in surgical menopause? Your options are A. Bilateral oophorectomy, B. Unilateral oophorectomy, C. Bilateral tubectomy, or D. Trachelectomy. Correct option is A, that is bilateral oophorectomy. Bilateral oophorectomy, that is removal of both ovaries, done to prevent disorders or spread of cancer cells and surgical menopause. Salpingo-oophorectomy, that is removal of the fallopian tube along with the ovary, often to treat cancers or other disorders. Next question is, total weight gain during pregnancy is about at. Your options are A. 6 kg, B. 8 kg, C. 11 kg, or D. 14 kg. Correct option is option C, that is 11 kg. First trimester 1 kg, second trimester 5 kg, third trimester 5 kg, total weight increased 11 to 12 kg. Next question is, which position is given to a patient after mastectomy? Your options are A. Sideline of affected side, B. Elevate affected hand with a pillow, C. Left lateral position, or D. Prone position. Correct option is option B, that is elevate affected hand with a pillow. Mastectomy is the medical term for the surgical removal of one or both breasts, partially or completely. A mastectomy is usually carried out to treat breast cancer. Next question is, in normal soils, the minimum distance between the well and the source of contaminants. Your options are A. Should never be less than 15 meters, B. Should never be less than 10 meters, C. Should never be more than 10 meters, or D. Should never be more than 10 meters. Correct option is option A, that is should never be less than 15 meters. In normal soils, the minimum distance between the well and the source of contaminants should never be less than 15 meters, and a distance of 30 to 15 meter is recommended. Next question is, which position is provided to a client after spinal anesthesia? Your options are A. Sims, B. Supine with underhead pillow, C. Flat, or D. High floor. Correct option is option C, that is flat. Next question is, first appearing teeth in a child is. Your options are A. Premolar, B. Incisors, C. Canines, or D. Third molar. Correct option is option B, that is incisors. The first tooth usually appears around 6 months old. The first teeth to come in and almost always the lower incisors. Next question is, in hypotension, which fluid is provided? Your options are A. Dextrose 10%, B. Normal saline, C. Ringer lactate, or D. NS 3%. Correct option is option C, that is Ringer lactate. Hey guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. Question number 16 is maternal serum alpha fetoprotein, that is MSAFP, is elevated in the following except. Options are A. Multiple pregnancies, B. Open neural tube defects, C. Rh isoimmunization, or D. Down syndrome. Correct option is option D, that is Down syndrome. MSAFP produced by yolk sac and fetal liver high level. Its level increases in open neural tube defects, intrauterine fetal death, that is IUFD, multiple pregnancy, renal anomalies, or Rh isoimmunization. Whereas in low level trisomy, that is Down syndrome, and gestational trophoblastic disease. Next question is, which of the following condition is a medical emergency that can be fatal? Your options are A. Acute epiglottitis, B. Laryngopneumatitis, C. Chronic asthma, or D. Cystic fibrosis. Correct option is option A, that is acute epiglottitis. Question number 18 is, Mr. X is undergoing chest physiotherapy after CABG. Which of the following levels of prevention it illustrates? Your options are A. Primordial, B. Primary, C. Secondary, or D. Tertiary. Correct option is option number D, that is tertiary. Tertiary prevention focuses on people who are already affected by a disease. The goal is to improve quality of life by reducing disability, limiting or delaying complications, and destroying function. This is done by treating the disease and providing rehabilitation. Question number 19 is, which of the following activities carried out at the PHC level for the prevention and control of vector-borne diseases? Your options are A. Source reduction, B. Mass treatment, C. DOTS therapy, or D. DEC treatment. Correct option is option A, that is source reduction. Next question is, the lifespan of a sperm is. Your options are A. 12 to 24 hours, B. 48 to 72 hours, C. 0 to 12 hours, or D. 24 to 48 hours. Correct option is option B, that is 48 to 72 hours. An ovulation, the egg lives for 12 to 24 hours and must be fertilized in that time if a woman is to become pregnant. Next question is, the volume of amniotic fluid at term is. Your options are A. 100 to 200 ml, B. 300 to 500 ml, C. 600 to 800 ml, or D. 50 to 100 ml. Correct option is option C, that is 600 to 800 ml. Next question is, softening of cervix during pregnancy is. Your options are A. Oshiander's sign, B. Goodell's sign, C. Chadwick's sign, or D. Schuette's sign. Correct option is option B, that is Goodell's signs. Next question is, immediate or most common complication of the third stage of labor is. Your options are A. Bleeding, B. Shock, C. Subinvolution, or D. Perforation. Correct option is option A, that is bleeding. Next question is, biochemical marker of preeclampsia is. Your options are A. Proteinuria, B. S-uric acid, C. S-creatinine, or D. S-sodium. Correct option is option A, that is proteinuria. Next question is, regular rhythmic uterine contraction elicited during biannual examination is. Your options are A. Piscac's sign, B. Jacquemer's sign, C. Hager's sign, or D. Palmer's sign. Correct option is option D, that is Palmer's sign. Next question, intrauterine death, C. RH incompatibility, or D. Accidental hemorrhage. Correct option is option B, that is intrauterine death. Thank you for watching this entire video. That's it for this today's video. If you want to follow us on other social media platform, the link is provided below. You can join us there for daily question. Thank you for watching this entire video. If you like it, hit the like button, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.